Let's take a bit of a break from the stern steps in this video and do something that I've been meaning to do for quite a while now, and that is weigh and balance the unfinished hulls, just to get at least a rough idea so far of how much the hulls weigh and where they're going to balance. So yeah, so I have this scale that will weigh up to 400 pounds. And there's the jack to be able to lift one end up. Right now it's on two furniture mover dollies at either end. So I'm going to put some of this wood onto one of these furniture movers and get it to balance on this thin strip of wood and figure out where the balance point is. Now I've already done a quick simple measurement by weighing each end separately of the hulls, so I know that the weight is not going to exceed 300 pounds, so the total weight will fit on this scale. Alright, so let's see where this balance is. Alright, so that is the balance point. I have the hull balanced right there. The front furniture mover, the weight is completely off of the front furniture mover. It's almost entirely on this balance point with just a tiny bit here on the jack. So the weight right now, the total weight is showing about 200 and almost 285 pounds. And I'll show you the balance here. If I just barely push down, or actually raise it up a bit, yeah, so I'm pulling up by, oh, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 pounds, not much, to be able to get this to rock back and forth. And you can see it moving up and down. So yeah, so the total weight's about 285 pounds, and I'll mark that center line and measure that so I know where the balance is. Alright, so I think this will be a short video. I just wanted to weigh and find the balance point of the unfinished hulls. Bye.